Hello everyone, welcome to IEEE Expert. Today we are going to see topic about intrusion detection system using machine learning. Usually in network, multiple type of intrusion may occur. Okay, it may be ransomware or a DDoS attack or else grey hole, wormhole attack type of attacks. Many type of attack may occur. It's due to either hardware related or software related. Both type of attacker may be occur. Okay, so in our system, we are going to design a machine learning system that can able to predict whether the connection belongs to intrusion or normal connection. Okay, it can be able to predict. So for that, we have to create a machine learning system. So for that, we have to consider multiple things. So first, we have to take data set. We have taken some data set here. We have found some data sets here. So in the data set, we are considering multiple features as duration, how many bytes, geo IP, segment, then failed login attempts, how much login able to attempt here, then compromised numbers, service utility attempted, root configuration, how much file have been created, how much type of file has been accessed, outbound commands, what is the login type of host, then what is the login type of guest, everything we have analyzed. So we have taken some data set here. Based on the data set, we are going to predict whether this connection belongs to malicious, that means intruder or not. Okay. So this is the based on which we are considering. Okay. So we are going to design IDS, intrusion detection system. We are going to design using machine learning. Okay. So these are the steps. We are going to take a data set. We have to train the data set based on the features available. So machine learning things may form the relationship between each features. Okay. Finally, we are going to design one web app. In that web app, you can able to give input of the connection and able to predict whether that connection belongs to intruder or not. Okay. So once again, I'm telling, welcome to IEEE Expert. If you have any machine learning projects or VLSI projects or any other engineering related projects, don't forget to call us. Okay. So, okay. Then this is the web app we are going to design it. So I'm going to run the project. I'm considering Python language for the implementation. I'm just giving path where the project present. Then I'm going to run main coding of the system. This one app1.py belongs to main coding. So here I designed some templates. Then I taken some data set here. These are the trained models. This is the Jupyter notebook used for training purpose. Okay. So after running on my website, it's given some localhost address. I'm going to use that localhost address here. So this is our web app, intrusion detection system using machine learning. Okay. So next step, I'm going to log in here. So login type admin. For easier configuration, I'm using admin as a login name. Login success. Then I'm going to upload my data set used for training purpose. I'm considering to upload my data set which you are using. So once I upload it, my web app will able to show the data set which I uploaded. Again, I'm saying that these are the features I'm considering: duration, SRC base, destination bytes, number of ROM segments, failed attempts. These are the things I'm considering. Multiple features I'm considering. Okay, so I'm going for the training of the data set. Once it's trained, it can directly go for the prediction page. Okay, so wait for the training to complete. Training has been finished, so I'm going for the prediction page. So what is the attack type? I'm just giving Satan, number of counts 1, So you can easily give it from here. SRC bytes value, destination bytes value, hot address, login attempts, number of complete, everything you can give from here. I'm just giving some values here. So flag successfully logged in, yes, logged, SRV rate. These are the values I'm just giving by this data set. Okay. For example, this is the SRV count. Finally, I'm going to give predict. So the attack class should be probe. It found as a probe type attack. Here, four type of attack we are considering. What are the four attackers means? R2L, probe, DOS, then normal. So four type of attacks we are considering. For example, I'm giving one more things here. So Neptune, uh, different things I'm giving here. These are the, again I'm telling, these are the values I'm just considering by this data set. You can give any values from the data set. Okay. So I'm giving again. So again, it predicted as a attack should be DOS. Okay. It can able to predict, again I'm saying, it can able to predict these type of attacks, whether DOS, prop or R2L, or whether it belongs to normal connection. Okay, it can able to predict these four type of connections. Okay, so our system working perfectly. Again, I'm going to check for the accuracy and everything. So I'm going for the analysis. In analysis, is showing. So out of the things you're giving this much database in, around 1 or 2%, 1 or 2 count belongs to normal, 172 belongs to DOS, prob 60, R2L 54. These are the attack types. So whether in overall system 74% of connection belongs to intruder, 26% of connection belongs to normal. Again, I'm going for the accuracy. In accuracy, I'm getting around 99% as a testing accuracy, 98% as a training accuracy. These are the accuracy term I'm getting. Okay, so everything perfect. Okay, if you need this project, please call us. Please approach IEEE Expert. Thank you. Thank you.